Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm making Bhuni Moong Dal. It's a dry version of split yellow moong, and it's a quick and easy recipe, perfect for weeknight dinner or even for meatless Monday. You can have it with chapati rotis. Without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So first I washed yellow moong, split yellow gram, and then soak it with the clean water for at least 30 minutes. Now I'm taking a heavy bottom pan and heating up some oil. In oil I am adding some sliced onions. I usually add less oil, but you can add more if you want to. Now I'm frying my onion until onion is very light golden color. Then I'm adding some ginger and garlic. Just saute for like a minute or two, and then I'm adding a little bit of water, like a tablespoon, so my onions or ginger garlic won't get burned. Now I'm adding some salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, and turmeric powder. Mix all those seasoning well with onion, and of course I'm adding more water because I don't want to burn my masala. And I cook this masala for at least 10 to 15 minutes until oil separates. Now I'm adding my pre-soaked moong dal. Now mix all the masala with the dal, and then we'll add water. Now that's the important part of this dal because it's a dry version of moong dal, so we need to add enough water so dal become completely tender, but then all that extra water dries out. So what I did, I add a very little water, and I kept an eye on it. So I just made it like a pulao. So when it comes to one boil, I was keeping an eye on the water, and then as the extra water dries out and it's all bubbly, I mixed again, and then I cover and simmer and let it cook until dal is completely tender. So now you can see that every piece of dal is separated. It's not mushy at all, but it's completely cooked. You can top it off with some dried garam masala powder, serve it with some hari chutney or lemon achar. It's my family recipe which I'm sharing with you guys today, and if you're trying this at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.